This is the PowerByte, a portable FM radio speaker that outputs super loud, powerful audio despite its smaller size. Whether you're lounging at home or throwing the party of the year, these quick tips and tricks will help you unlock the full potential of your PowerByte. Tip 1. There are two main ways to use the PowerByte: as an FM radio or as a multimedia speaker. As a radio, when you turn the PowerByte on, it'll automatically scan for clear FM channels. You can save your favorite stations by pressing and holding any of the numbered buttons at the top. And if you ever need better reception, just extend the antenna out to boost signal clarity. Tip 2. If you're using the PowerByte as a speaker, you can connect to a variety of different audio sources, like your phone via either Bluetooth or aux, a USB drive, or even a micro SD card. For Bluetooth connections, the PowerByte will remember the last paired device and automatically reconnect to it whenever you put the speaker in Bluetooth mode. It's perfect for quick, hassle-free connections. Tip 3. If you're ever struggling to hear voices or dialogue, try switching to the clear voice mode. It helps you hear voices and speech more clearly by boosting just those frequencies, so you won't miss another word. Tip 4. I personally like to fall asleep with a little background noise, and if you're like me, you'll love the PowerByte sleep timer settings. You can set the timer for 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes, and the PowerByte will turn off after that amount of time. Tip 5. You can keep the PowerByte plugged into a wall outlet for endless playtime if you want, or, and this is my personal go-to, you can take advantage of this nifty little handle here to take the PowerByte wherever your heart desires. It has a playtime of up to 20 hours, and it's small enough to be easily portable, but loud enough to hear no matter where you are. So, it's the perfect portable speaker. The last thing I want to mention, real quick, is the sound quality, since we all know that that's what most people are looking for in a speaker. I'll just say this: the PowerByte really lives up to its name, and our users agree. Even with a smaller build, this speaker outputs some crazy powerful audio, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And if you ever have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to us at support@avantree.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.